Hello everyone. Are you looking for ways to consolidate data from multiple worksheets to one to perform some calculations or to apply some functions? If yes, then this video is absolutely for you. Do watch it without the fail and you will learn this great method and easy method to consolidate the data from multiple worksheets for calculation in MS Excel, right? In this video, I'm going to teach you a very easy method to consolidate data from multiple worksheets to perform some calculation or to apply some function in Microsoft Excel sheet. So watch this video till the end to learn another easy way to do the calculation across the worksheets by linking them in Microsoft Excel. And you know what? Before this video, we had another session where we discussed about another method to, do the same operation, to do the calculation based on the data present in multiple worksheets. So if you are interested to watch that video as well, I have given you the link at the top. You can go ahead and watch that video as well. Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is session number 109 and we are learning the different methods to deal with the large volume of data in Microsoft Excel. This is the last video in this section, so stay tuned with us to learn the complete Microsoft Excel and become from beginner to advanced user. So now that we have seen in our last video how to create the formulas that will span across multiple worksheets, and by the way, you can also do the same thing across multiple workbooks. So let's take a look at one more automated method, one more automated approach to get Excel to do some of the work for us, right? Same scenario here, got the exercise file open. You can download this file from the description of this video if you want to, exercise and practice this method. Okay, so I'm looking at the summary sheet, right? I deleted the circulation that I created earlier in the last video. Now I want to perform the same thing but utilizing a built-in tool inside of Excel called Consolidate, right? With a little bit of input from us centrally, where's the data at? Excel will fill in the data for us. Now I need to do a little bit of housekeeping here first. On the summary sheet, I have got the towns, and with the consolidate feature, I really don't need the town listing here. So I'm going to grab cell A4 to A8 and I'm going to hit my delete key on my keyboard. Let's get rid of them. Okay, so the reason why I'm deleting those is that the consolidate feature is not only going to sum up all the circulations for me, but it's also going to identify the proper town for me. Watch this. So I'm on the summary sheet right now. I deleted all of the towns. I'm gonna click inside cell A4. I'm going to go to my data tab at the top. So top of my screen there's a data tab. Towards the far right we have got the section called data tools, and I'm going to go and click consolidate. So this is the icon for consolidate. I'll give that a click. All right, so this opens up my consolidate window where just with a little bit of input Excel is going to consolidate the 2013, 14 and 15 sheets all into the summary sheet for me. Okay, so just to recap, I want to put here the summary. Okay, and the summary will be based on the data present here in 2013, 14 and 15. So in all the three sheets I have the same structure, town and circulation, and here are the towns and their circulation data for each year. What I want to do here in the summary sheet is I want to consolidate and sum up the circulation, let's say of Beverly from 2013, 14 and 15 and show up here as the sum data. Okay, so again I just clicked on A4, go to data, click on consolidate icon. I got my consolidate window where we will just give little bit of input to Excel, and Excel is going to consolidate 13, 14 and 15 sheets for us. Okay, and that all will come into the summary sheet here. So the first step is to know, well, what type of consolidation you want to perform here. Okay, and I have got different functions here. Well, for me I'm just going to do a standard sum. So I just want to select sum here and keep it as sum function. Now it needs the references. It needs to know that where the data is at that you want to sum up on the summary sheet. Well, let's move this window. Well, we can just give that input here. I'm going to click into the reference box. I'll go down to 2013 and I'm going to select cell A4 to B8. Let's grab this as my first reference and I'm going to go back in and hit add here. So you can see here 2013 A4 to B8. Okay, so the Excel took that as my first reference. Now I need to do it 2 more times, right? So I'll go down to 2014, make sure the same range is highlighted here, A4 to B8, hit the add button, and now let's do it one more time for 2015. Make sure I grab the same range again, right? It's already taken 2015 and it's A4 to A8. Just click on add. All right, so I have got my three references, the three separate sheets. Now we have got some additional options here. First, the heading of this is use labels in, right? Now imagine this, you have got 3 different years worth of circulations with the towns and the circulation numbers. Well, what if throughout the years you are adding and removing the towns? Some towns have closed down or some towns have opened up, new circulation numbers are introduced, right? Well, because we are not consistent anymore, Excel needs a way to identify the towns as it moves from sheet to sheet. So it can consolidate Beverly with Beverly and does not actually do it Beverly with Cherrydale together. So that's where the label comes into play. Now our references that we just established have two columns. The first column is the town, or essentially the label for the circulation numbers. So I'm going to tell it to use the left column from my reference as the label. So I'll just turn that on. I'm not going to select the top row because the one which I want to make it as consistent is the left row, which is the town. So I just made it as left column on. The other option here you can see is create links to source data. Now I'm not going to turn mine on right now here, but I will leave it up to you. If you check that, it creates a link from your summary sheet to your previous three sheets, 13, 14 and 15. This way, if 2013, 2014 or 2015 sheet updates their numbers, the summary sheet will automatically update it. Getting my point? So if you are changing the number in any of the sheet, thus anyway you have summed up this in the summary sheet, so the sum result will automatically get updated based on the updates you are making on all these three sheets. You do not have to come again and again and do that adjustment. That adjustment will done by Excel for you. Okay, so again I will leave it up to you if you want that to be linked or not. So again I will leave it up to you if you want that to be linked or not. Okay, but make sure you use the left column checkbox as the label so that this consolidate feature knows that it has to match up with Beverly and Cherrydale with Cherrydale and so on. Alright, so now all I need to do, get my three references using the left column, and I'll just hit OK. And I have now consolidated the data from the three other sheets. Got the 3,245,998, all from the 2013 through 2015 years of Beverly and so on. Easy, right? All of them for you, but just a little bit of input from us, right? And Excel did the consolidation for us. So try this out, wipe out the previous exercise, get rid of those circulation numbers that we did manually in our last video, and use the consolidate feature. So just to recap, remember you have to delete the towns because you don't need those on the summary sheet initially. Then hop up to cell A4, go to the data tab, go to the consolidate, grab your references, use the left column as your label, and you're done. It's a beautiful trick. saving you tons of time that you would normally have to do manually, and it automates for you, right? So try it out. That's all for today. Thank you so much guys for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really like this video, enjoying this journey, then please do like and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, have a great life, and take very good care of yourself.